Punjabi. My company name is Health and Wealth Assured. I'm an insurance professional. I'm into life health and health insurance and general insurance also. So now you must have heard of TV पे दिखाते हैं policy बाजार काश आपने ये term plan लिया होता. So that is something very important to take. And term plan is something like a policy that is given. It's taken by a policy holder for the protection of your family. If something happens to the breadwinner, then the lump sum amount is given to the family. So this thing is very important even for women to take a term plan, because nowadays women also do get a term plan. So there are 5 USPs of taking a term plan of the iProtect Smart Term Plan. Enhanced coverage against death, terminal illness and accident disability. We also have the option to get coverage for any critical illness or accidental death. You can also choose by taking like a monthly, you can choose the monthly income or a lump sum amount. The family can get this access to choose it. Also, you have a flexibility to pay premiums for a limited income in limited time. You don't have to pay for all the years throughout the term. You just have to pay for a limited time, like a 5 pay or a 7 pay or a 10 pay.
Please all of you, excuse me just one second, please all of you pay attention. And please stop yapping. I think she's giving a presentation, yeah? It's not right.
Yeah, so you can also pay for a limited term. You don't need to pay for a long term, like you can just pay for a 5-year pay or a 7-year pay, and you can enjoy your insurance till 85, 95 years of age. And also there is something like a money back plan, so you can add that to it. So you, suppose nothing happens to the person at 75 years of age, then the money comes back to the insurance for the policy holder. So that's another very big USP of this plan. Next. So now ensure that your loved ones get what is truly theirs. So people have taken term plans, but are you sure that you are going to get the proceeds of the term plan? Actually, if there are a lot of businessmen who don't get it because they have not endorsed it with the NWP Act. So the NWP Act is the Married Women's Property Act, which ensures that you do get your the proceeds of the term plan. So because they may be, like किसने कोई loan लिया है, तो उसके वजह से the banks may approach and all that. So that is very essential to endorse it with the Married Women's Property Act. Next. So now we come to the investment plans, which is like a smart kid plan. We have plans for child education, and it will help you to achieve your goals for the marriage also of the children later on in life. So there is something like a smart kid plan in which, suppose if something happens to the policy holder at the premium paying term, then also there's nothing to worry, because the insurance company will pay the premiums of the child. So all the premiums get waived off and the insurance company continues so that the goals are achieved. Next. We also have unit plans, which are unit linked plans and which is related to the market. So that is also an awesome thing. And like right now the market is down, so it is the right time for investments. We also have retirement planning. You can enjoy your retirement, and when you grow older, you don't want to compromise on your luxuries that you are having whilst you are working. So you want to have the same lifestyle, and even better. So we have pension plans also, in which you get income, immediate income, or you can get income after a few years. So you can choose that. Next. So it won't happen to me. Like I've heard it from so many people that it won't happen to me, and what exactly is that? Next. So I hear young people saying, "Don't worry, I have got I don't worry about medical expenses at all. I am very young. I have not been hospitalized, so I don't need health insurance. I look after my health, exercise and nutrition, so I will not need health insurance. And also they say my parents are healthy, so मुझे क्या ज़रूरत है, like, I don't need it. And medical emergency can happen to anyone, but it will not happen to me. So this is what people tell when we approach them, but actually the fact is otherwise. The cost of treatment is rising, whooping by 22%. So every year the hospitals are increasing the expenses. So it's really very important to have a good, adequate health insurance. So you can see inflation in medical treatment. Earlier in 2010 it used to be 16,000. Now it's increased in the last 3 years by 36.36%. Even something like a cataract has increased by 75%. Cancer treatment is now 91% increase. So it's really very important to take adequate health insurance. Because you don't want to go crowdfunding and all. I mean, that's not the way it should be. When you have a good health insurance, you don't need to ask people for anything. So chemotherapy also is like 90.47%. It is increased a lot. So I really feel a lot about this because my dad had cancer when I was when I was quite young. So of course, like, everything was sorted, but still that pain is there, So that's one. Even they thought in the same way. So you think you really don't need?
Some water?
No, I won't.
Why are you taking tension?
I'm not taking tension. So even they thought in the same way. Some people they thought in the same way. Some of them had money for the treatment, and some suffered a setback.
See, you needed it. You emptied the whole thing.
So so it's really important to have a very good, adequate health insurance because people, young people, or even middle-aged people, they feel they don't need it. But actually, one hospital bill is, can burn a hole in your pocket. So I've seen families like they initially they had told me कि नहीं चाहिए and all that. 2-3 महीने के बाद they come up with that crowdfunding and all, like, I really feel very sad for them. So some of them had money for the treatment. You can see all the famous personalities. Some of them had a terminal illness. Some of them had cancer. And it's like really sad. So they had the money for it, so they could do the treatment. But some of them did suffer a financial setback. Next. So what is the solution to it? So we have something like a superstar plan in which you get superior coverage. You also get, there's no room rent limit for it. And the S stands for superstar. Then you have unlimited protection in that. You have something like a freeze your age. So in that, like, suppose you are taking your plan at say 30 or 35, your premium will be constant till you reach age 50. So your premium will not change at all unless you make a claim. So then you can always take that plan and you freeze your age so your premium doesn't change at all. We also have premium locks and discounts. And like, I won't go through all the things, so just the main USPs. And we have premium lock discounts, like long-term discounts are there, and your limitless care option is there. So in any one claim you can choose for a limitless care. Unlimited auto restoration benefit is there. So it's like, really amazing features which have come up. Essential care, E for essential care, that stands for daycare. Modern treatments are at actual. So everything is, everything is covered. And we also have Quick Shield, that is ABCD, asthma, BP, cardiac issues done in the last 1 year, and diabetes. They all covered after 31 days. So that's really amazing. So anybody who has BP or diabetes can be covered after 31 days. Next. So my esteemed clients are Sunny Chabria, Bloomberg, Suraj Chabria, Big Sam Advisors, Tarun Ishwaran, Nalin Punjabi, Harish Masan, Janet Miranda, and Rajesh Punjabi. And my next ask gynecologists, newly married couples, couples with kids, kitty party groups, and you can see. Next. So these are the achievements and awards I've received. It's been a great journey. This is just 2024 and 25 ka start mein I got this. And also the SN Club I've achieved now. Next. Any questions, anyone?
You all have any questions for her? No question? I think Mr. Shobhita Chaudhary would like to give a testimony.
Sonia Punjabi is very good insurance professional. I am her client, very old client. The main thing of insurance advisor is when you are going to take policy, they are telling very straightforward, come, I will give you this, and when the claim comes, bhan jata hai. But she is the lady always in front line when the claim comes. So always connect her for this.